So how can you make your music sound a bit more personal? Well, one trick I like to use is to use the human voice and to create an instrument out of it. So I'm working on a commission for a business at the moment, so I take a clip of the founder saying something and I turn it into a synth and use that as part of the composition. Even though it's not a recognizable voice, it's just that little touch that I think adds something to really make it unique. It's something that can't be recreated by anyone else. So let's dive in, let's have a quick look. So here I have the founder saying, there's a loneliness generally. There's a loneliness generally. God, quite hard to say actually. So I take that and then drag it into a simpler here. If we play middle C. Okay, what we want to do is to find a shorter piece of it and turn it into our own waveform. That's all right. Okay, there you go, that sounds pretty good. So this is now looping really quickly. I've got a bit of drive on it as well, and the tuner tells us we're at D. Well, we want to be at C, so there we go, C. So now we have an instrument that we can play. And then if we go back to the chords that I've written here, we're currently in F sharp major. The instrument that we've now created out of the founder's voice, we add a bit of reverb and chorus here. This is what we end up with. I think it sounds pretty good. And that's how you can make your music sound a bit more personal.